y'all, it's Yolanda B and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope that you would take the time to consider subscribing to my channel. And if you've seen my face before, then welcome back to my channel. Thank you for returning. Today, y'all, I'm popping in to give y'all a little bit of an update on the DIY patio that my daughter and I are doing on her backyard. So I'm standing here right now, excuse me. On the previous video, this is what y'all saw us do. So we laid a walkway down coming from her back door, and we put some pebbles in between there, and this has been like this for probably a couple of weeks now. As you can see, some of the pebbles are scattering about, and the next part of this video is going to be this. So we're still waiting to do this. This is the pavers that are going to be placed in this area for her patio that we're going to be doing. But we have been at a standstill, y'all, so that's why I popped in to give y'all a little bit of an update. We've been at a standstill. My daughter got really ill and was hospitalized for about 4 days, right after, about a day or two after we finished the walkway. And so she was, like I said, was hospitalized for about 4 days, and then she got out. Thank you, Jesus, that she is okay. She's recovering. She's gaining her strength back right now as we speak. So thank you, Jesus, for that. But yeah, she was in the hospital for 4 days. She got out and is recovering and, you know, trying to build back up her strength. And then after that, the rain. So where I live at down south, the weather has a mind of its own. It's pretty unpredictable. You might get all 4 seasons in one day, y'all. I'm talking about spring, summer, winter, and fall in one day. So right now we're in the rainy season, and it's the ground is really wet. It's been raining for the last couple of days, and the sun is kind of shining right now, but I'm gonna turn y'all around. You probably can't tell, but the ground is really it's wet, and we're going to let it dry up before we start digging and stuff back here and just making more of a muddy mess for the dogs, because I've told y'all in the previous video that she's got 2 dogs, and this little area right here, we dug that up. It had a bit of grass, but you know, it was very sparse, so we dug that up and we planted some grass seed. But like I said, she got really sick, so I don't think it's gonna do anything. So we got to come up with another idea for that. So y'all, anybody that's that's looking at this video and you have any experience or any ideas, y'all feel free to comment and give me some input on what we could do to this area to kind of, you know, cover that and get that mud. Because look at her door. This is because the dogs jump up on the door with their muddy paws, and she'll wipe it off, and a day or two later it's right back that way. So that's the problem with that. I will say on this part of the walkway that we have completed, somebody commented and told me about some kind of glue or some type of spray that we can spray down on this so that the rocks won't move. And y'all, look, it's weeds growing up in here. I'm just realizing that. And we sprayed it for weeds. We also put down a weed barrier. So okay, y'all, any ideas about that, fill me in on that as well, because I'm just now realizing, why are these weeds growing up through here? And we treated this area for that. So y'all, feel free, like I said, to give me some ideas. And also, oh yeah, I got another question too. So with the pavers, once we get them all spread it out and, you know, everything put where it's going to be, she has a gazebo that she's going to put on the pavers or around the pavers. So my question to y'all is, when we bolt the gazebo down, do we bolt it down to the pavers or do we bolt it into the ground? And if you say pavers, what type of what's the word I want to say? I like, she has a drill, but what bit does she need to get through the paver? So please comment and let me know about that. Anybody that's out there that's looking at this video that might know. So yep, that's all. I wanted to pop in and kind of give y'all an update. I am gonna go to Lowe's and pick up the the stuff for the pebbles to keep them from moving, to kind of like put them in place so they won't be scattered all over. I think it's called Mulch Anchor. That was the brand that I had. So the person that suggested that, as soon as I saw that in the comments, I went right away to Lowe's website and I typed in, what I was looking for, and that's what I came up with. So I'm gonna go in Lowe's either later on today or early tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna purchase that, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. So I'm gonna go back in the house and let y'all see this big old giant box with the gazebo in it. Ooh, y'all, I'm sweaty because it is very humid outside. But I'm back in the house, and I just want to show y'all this big old giant box. So, yeah, that we're gonna need some help getting this up. So that's what's gonna be happening in the next videos to come. I will be recording us putting down the pavers for the patio, as well as us unboxing this big gigantic thing here. Y'all, look at that. Let me back up so y'all can get a full. Let's see. Look at that. That thing is huge. So I'm not going to open it right now. We're just going to leave it in the box until we actually get ready to use it. So that's part of it. That's one box. And it came in 2 pieces. And then that is the second box, y'all. This lighting isn't too good in here. Sorry. But yeah, and I even have my little light on. But anyways, that's it. So y'all hang in there with me. Don't give up. You will be seeing the finished results soon. Like I said, we just had a bit of a, we were just at a bit of a standstill due to my baby girl getting ill, as well as the weather not wanting to cooperate with us. And so, as well as, her and I both work, and our off days are, I'm off during middle of the week and she's off weekend. So we have to try and get together when we can to do it. So y'all, please bear with me. That video will be coming soon of us getting that back area done and the pavers laid for that. But I am going to take y'all with me to Lowe's either today or early in the morning to pick up the mulch anchor that the person in the comments suggested to me. So y'all stay tuned. All right. Bye.
2 hours later.
Hey y'all, it's me. I'm back. We're getting ready to head to Lowe's right now to pick up the mulch. What did I say it was called, y'all? Mulch anchor. That's what it's called. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm gonna get my boo thing to come ride along with me and go grab this stuff so that when we start working on the pavers in the back, we will have that already ready and available to us, and we won't have to stop and go pick it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll pick y'all up when we get to Lowe's. Okay. Made it to Lowe's, so we walking in now. We're gonna run in here and grab this spray adhesive to spray onto the rocks, the little river pebbles, to try and keep them in place so that they won't be moving. So we walking in the door of Lowe's right now. It's gonna be a quick little trip. We're not shopping or anything. We just come to pick up that. And I want to say thank you, Mimi, for suggesting this. Okay, we had a door that's not let us in. I wanted to say again, shout out to Miss Mimi. I thank you so much for suggesting this, and I hope it works. So we're gonna try it. I'll let y'all know how it works. All right, y'all. We really don't know what aisle this stuff is on, so we kind of just in here walking around looking for it. Want to ask her? Oh, well, it was some stuff on that wall that looked like glue. You see it? It kind of looked like glue, but I don't. It's in a caulk. This, what I'm looking for, is a spray, like in a spray paint. It's gonna be in a bottle like that. So this definitely in it. This is like caulk and stuff. So yeah. Okay, we on the aisle that's marked blue, y'all. So hopefully we in the right place. We need to keep our eye well before I trip on something. That thing sitting in the middle of the floor. I broke my little bit of neck. Okay, so yeah, we're looking for spray adhesive, and I don't see nothing look like that on this aisle at all. It said glue on the banner up there. See, it said glue. Aisle 17. Spray adhesive. Blue thing went over there to ask the associate with Al, because if not, we'll be walking around looking all over the place for it. Okay, we got the information that we needed. He said aisle 5, bay 14. So that's where we're headed, y'all. That's what I said. That's what I said. Yep, grab this little stuff. Okay, so we are on aisle 5, making our way down to bay 14, which is right here. And this is all the glues. All kind of glue, y'all. So now I got to figure out which one is the correct one. And I feel like this might be what I'm looking for. This. Can y'all see that? I think that's what I'm looking for. $17.98, and they only got one can. Okay, let me read this and see what it is before I walk out of here with y'all. Be right back. All right, y'all. I made it back to the house and got my one little bag from Lowe's, and I scored the little product that we went to pick up. It's Wellwood Contact Cement. So the next opportunity that we get to go out there and work on the yard, I'm going to spray this on the walkway that we already completed and see if it'll hold those little pebbles in place so that they won't scatter all over their yard. And I just wanted to say again, thank you, Mimi, for recommending this for me, and I'm going to try it out, and I'll let you know how I like it. All right. Thanks, y'all. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that y'all would like, comment, and subscribe. Get this video pushed out, y'all. My last video did pretty good. I'm new to this, so it's not going to be perfect videos, y'all, but I'm getting better as I go. So, y'all, please stay tuned for more awesome content. All right. I'll see y'all in the next video.